Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Careers. In today's video we are going to talk about how to make basic washroom layouts, and today's video is all about this basic washroom layout planning, not like we are planning high-end washrooms, but in smaller amount of space, how we can utilize the space and avoid all the mistakes like leakage and how to make the slopes and all. So we are going to discuss that in this. This is just basic layout. If you are going to change your washroom interiors and if you want to make some renovations in washroom, I highly recommend to please watch this video before doing that, because this will help you to understand how one should go about basic washroom planning. So this one which I'm showing at the top is like the basic washroom system, how you should try to lay it in the most possible way. That first, when you open the door or when you enter, it should be a dry area where your sink will sit, basically wash basin will sit. Next is your semi-wet area, which is also where you will have your toilet pit. Third is where your shower area, or if you want a bathtub, that area. So I usually prefer everyone would like to have a showers in regular washrooms rather than it's like a very high-end washroom then they go for bathtub, because in our daily busy lives we don't have much time to take a bathtub, right? So it's just my opinion, but if you can still add a tub in that place also. So, and if you want shower plus tub, just double the wet area I have given. In one space you can have your shower, after that you can have your tub space if you want both in it, in a most minimalist way I'm saying. So hope this clear. So your slope or your drainage pipeline should be always at the last wet end area, and your washroom should slope towards that wet space, right? So next is, this is how your layout should be. This is the most common washroom layouts we use in India, or you can say all over the world, but highly it's in every apartment system, every building system. Today you see this is the washroom layout they will be given you. So you open the door, you have a wash basin dry area, then you have a toilet pit area, which are all both 2.5 feet, which is 2 feet 6 inches, and then you have 3 feet of washing area. You can reverse this dry space to the completely wet space, because few people say it's fine 2.5 for us to the shower space. Okay, it depends on you, whatever you want. And this wet space from semi-wet space in the most of cases will be divided by a curtain rod or a glass. There's few people even install a glass door or a glass wall in it, right? That is to solely if someone is taking shower and your spouse want to use a toilet pit, they can just use it without interrupting your bath, without interrupting in your shower, because they don't want water to be fell on them, right? So this is the sole system why they use a curtain or a wall of a glass. So it's completely up to you. If you're fine having it just open, even that is also fine. It's just for more of utility kind of thing. So these are the same 5 feet into 8 feet washrooms. Always remember, when I say 5 into 8, it's width into height. Your x axis comes the first, then your y axis. Hope you remember your basic geometrical system, how they go. So next one is again the same washroom tilted, which is in 8 into 5 feet, x into y ratio. Please, I would recommend you, all the designers, architects, please have this point clear. Whenever they give you any dimensions, it's always in x, y and z axis. So go accordingly while looking to a plan. Okay, so this is the another washroom system that is used. where you have a lesser height and you increase your width and you give your dry and semi wet area one single space, then you have your the wet area on other side of the door. So this is 7 feet 1 inch into 5 feet 6 inch washroom. Then this one is the squarish washroom where you can utilize your space like this, 6 feet into 6 feet washroom. These are the most common, but many people highly use the different washroom. Then what are the wrongs and right things we do in these layouts, right? See, sometimes we cannot open our washroom at the door cannot be at the end in front of the dry area, but always remember this should become your thumb rule to open a washroom door to a wash basin, not to a toilet pit. That is because it's aesthetically not said that it's aesthetically not good. In working, it completely works, no doubt in it. If you have a washroom which opens to a toilet pit, it's aesthetically not considered as a good thing. So as a designers, as a architects, as a interior designers, you should keep this in mind. So next is one thing you should take care when you are opening your door in the middle and you have the wash basin in the center. You should have two slopes from the center, because one should go to your wet area, another should go to your semi wet area, and your dry area should be at the top level. Please keep this in mind. Your dry area should never become you should make sure that water should never stand on it. The reason is you will be mostly using your wash basin a lot, and that becomes more convenient. That's the reason you keep it in front of your washroom as well. So next in the line, you must say, oh, I just go to pee there and I don't need a wash basin at front of my door. No guys, you are going to wash your hand post the process, right? So at the end you are going to use the wash basin highest number of times in a day, and that area should be dry. So these two are the basic thumb rules of designing a washroom. So this is how you can utilize your washroom layout which opens up to a dresser area in your master bedroom or you're planning. So I will show you many of the luxurious washrooms and their design in upcoming video. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching till now, and please watch other recommended videos. Thank you everyone. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel.